Are you feeling fatigued, unmotivated, or lacking focus? You're not alone. Many people struggle with these issues due to a lack of dopamine, a key neurotransmitter responsible for motivation, focus, and overall well-being. Introducing Mucuna pruriens extract capsules, the ultimate dopamine-boosting supplement. Unfortunately, stress, poor dietary choices, and aging can lead to a decline in dopamine levels, leaving you feeling drained, unmotivated, and struggling to reach your peak performance. Our advanced formula works by naturally increasing your brain's dopamine levels, supporting mental clarity, mood enhancement, and increased motivation. Restore your dopamine levels to optimal levels and experience a profound transformation in your daily life. Don't let low dopamine levels hold you back any longer. Take control of your brain's chemistry with Mucuna pruriens extract capsules, the ultimate dopamine-boosting supplement. Unlock your true potential and start living your best life. Don't hesitate. Take action today and experience the life-changing benefits of Mucuna pruriens extract capsules. Click the link below to order your 210-count bottle now and take the first step towards a happier, more motivated you.